Bled is one of those places you simply can't miss if you're visiting Slovenia. Luckily, there is a direct train from Ljubljana that will take you there in 1 hour. There are also so many day tours to Bled, but after our trip I can say that it's of course better to stay at least one night there and enjoy the scenery during less crowded hours like in the morning or later in the evening. The train station of Bled is situated a bit further away from the lake itself, but the good news is that you can take a bus. Buses can be a bit full because we are visiting Bled on the Easter weekend, and it seems like everybody had this wonderful idea. But you can also take a taxi. It's like around 20 euros. It's not that much probably, especially if you're a big company or if you can find some people who also want to share. And by car it should be around like 10 minutes or something, but in our case it was a bit longer because of the some road works and also a traffic jam. So you just, especially like for the way back, you should consider this, because if the area is like really full, your travel time might double at least. So just plan enough time in advance. Lake Bled is one of the most photographed alpine lakes in Europe. Apart from the nice views, there are also so many interesting facts about it. For example, Lake Bled was created by glaciers and tectonic shifts during the Ice Age, which explains its distinctive basin and clear alpine water. You might have seen it on some screensavers or some, I don't know, wallpaper, digital things. It's really popular with that island in the middle of the lake itself. The cool thing is that you can actually take a walk around the lake, and it should take you about 40 minutes probably, so not very long, and it seems to be pretty flat. So it's like a perfect start of the day to take a walk here. And there are also a couple of viewpoints and also a castle, a castle on the cliff, and I didn't see it, or I didn't even know that it exists here. So we will see if we have enough energy to go uphill to the castle. But unlike many alpine lakes, Bled gets surprisingly warm in summer, often reaching around 25 degrees Celsius. Speaking about swimming, the whole area seems to be a nature reserve, and there is a dedicated place for swimming, so don't just go in the water wherever you want. Also, the lake changes color throughout the day. Depending on sunlight and weather, the water can shift from emerald green to deep blue. There are a couple of hikes near the lake that offer some elevation, and you can enjoy the view of the lake from above. Just to give you a heads up, the hikes are somewhat on the advanced side. This doesn't stop locals from trail running there, but it did stop a couple of tourists before the summit, including myself. We just tried to reach the viewpoint, and it means you'll have to hike quite a bit, and the path is a bit steep as for me, so we returned. But you actually don't have to go all the way up, because you'll get pretty much the same view probably like halfway. One hike wasn't enough for us that day, so we found another one. It was a bit more forgiving for me. You've probably already noticed Bled Castle, which sits on a 130-meter cliff. It is considered the oldest castle in Slovenia, with records dating back to 1011. Unlike many fairy tale castles, Bled Castle mainly served as an administrative and defensive fortress rather than a luxurious place. You'll also see Bled Cream Cake almost everywhere, so definitely give it a try. I wouldn't say there is anything extremely special about it, but it was still delicious. So we made our way to the top of the castle. It has a lot of dining options and shopping options, so it's not just a castle, and you can have like fine dining at the very top or something more basic at the bottom. As far as I can judge, you get pretty much the same view as from the hiking point, but the way up here felt a bit more secure, at least to me. So if you're not really into hiking or like steep hiking, you can simply choose to go up to the castle. The tickets are a bit pricey, around 19 euros per person, but you sort of pay for the view, I guess, and for some shopping experiences. Inside the castle you can see demonstrations of traditional Gutenberg-style printing techniques and even print souvenir pages. We got a magnet from there. There is also a wine cellar where you can bottle your own wine, as well as a museum about the region. So there is plenty to do and to see, but the main attraction is of course the view. Many rowing champions train there and it's really cool to watch them. Lake Bled has also hosted multiple world rowing championships. As already mentioned, plan at least one full day there if you want to visit the castle and still have enough time to walk around the lake, because it's absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.